the country sound in the 50s. D1. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. All the other birds are flocking round her. She is so despised by the flock. The great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the prophet Jeremiah, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that she made. They long to confound with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name's on her book, for I want to be one ever fearing the face of my Savior to love. When he cometh descending from heaven on the cloud that he rides in his word, I'll be joyfully caring to meet him on the